morning students, welcome to e-learning classes. This is your computer class. We are doing lesson number 2, that is input and output devices. In this chapter we have done exercises like fill in the blanks, MCQs, answer in one word, and we have also done question answer, question number 1 and 2. And in this video today we will do the remaining question answer of this chapter. Students, go through the video, watch it carefully, and after that do the all the question answer in your copy in a very neat and tidy way. Lesson number 2, input and output devices. In this chapter we have done some exercises, then we have done answer in one word. After that we have done question number 1 and 2. In this video we will do the remaining question answer which you have to do in your copy. First of all, you have to mention the date on which you are doing the work. Then use black pen for writing question. Then use blue pen for writing answer, and after each and every question you have to leave a line. Question number 3, explain the utility of biometric device. You have to explain the use of biometric device. Answer is, biometric devices are used to authenticate a person's identity. These days, smartphones and laptops come with the inbuilt biometric devices such as face recognition and fingerprint sensors. The use of the biometric device reduces the chances of fraud. Then leave one line. Then next question. Question number 4. Differentiate between an impact and a non-impact printer. You have to write the difference between these two type of printer. For doing this, you have to divide the page using black pen. Divide it by drawing a line, and on the left hand side you have to write impact printer, on the right hand side you have to write non-impact printer, and each and every point will be written in front of each other. First point is, the character or graphic printing is done by striking on the paper. In front of it you have to write the first point of non-impact printer, that there is no physical contact while printing the paper. When you finish these 2 points, then draw a line using black or blue pen, and you have to write each and every point in front of each other. Number 2, this type of printer creates noise. Second point of non-impact printer is, it is quieter than impact printer. Then leave one line. Now question number 5, define the term plotter. Describe different types of plotters. This question is divided into 2 parts. First one is, you have to write what is plotter, and then you have to describe different types of plotters. Answer is, plotter prints vector graphics. This means it can print on very large sheets while maintaining high resolution. The different types of plotters are, there are 2 types of plotter. One is drum plotter, second is flatbed plotter. You have to describe it also. First one is drum plotter. In this type of plotter, paper is wrapped around a rotating drum with a pin feed attachment. The drum revolves while the actual pen does the printing. Then second plotter is flat bed plotter. It is a graphic plotter that has a flat surface on which the paper is placed. It draws by moving a pen in both horizontal and vertical directions over a sheet of paper. So these are the remaining question answer which you have to do in your copy in a very neat and tidy way. Students, you have to do these in your copy, and after this revise these question answer, and in our next video we will do some more exercises of this chapter. Thank you.